Hey, Personal Finance. We need to help out our friend Mark here. He is looking to buy a car, but he's not sure if he can make it work with his budget. So we're going to use an online calculator to help us determine how much he'd be paying in each month and how much he'd be paying in interest for each one of these different car options. So when I click on this link right here, it takes me to this page where it is a auto loan interest calculator. So I'm going to put in the total car loan amount, how long the loan is for, and the interest rate on the loan, which I can find here. So this is the total amount that the vehicle costs. The APR means the annual percentage rate, which is the interest on the loan. So every year that loan, we are charged 10% of the value of that loan back to the bank, okay? So the longer we have that loan for, like, there's more interest that we're paying, basically. The goal here, always with any loan that you take out, you want to pay it back as fast as possible because then you're paying less interest because there's less time that that loan is sitting out there. So $6,000 vehicle, 10% interest, 48 months. $6,000 vehicle, 48 months, 10% interest. Okay, so this tells me how much interest is on this loan. This is the total finance charge right here, $1,304.42. So I can hit copy, and I'm going to paste that right in here. Our monthly payment is going to be $152 per month. So I'm going to copy and paste that in here. I live close to McCormick Park, so you might be hearing some rock and roll music right now. Nothing I can do about it, sorry. So you might notice there's a slider bar here. And what this is it shows you how the interest changes if your monthly payments go up. So meaning, like, you could pay $152.18 per month, and that would mean you're paying this much interest, right? But if you pay more, you'll be paying it off faster. You'll be paying it off faster. So there's less interest. You're only paying $584. It's like less than half the interest that you'd be paying if you paid the amount that they recommend. But we're just going to keep it this amount here for the purpose of this. Okay, $152.18. The total cost of the loan is this amount plus this amount. So that is going to end up being $7,304.42. Okay? So you're going to go through and do that with each one of these vehicle options. Notice some of them have longer lengths of loans. Some of them have shorter. Some of them have higher interest rates. Some of them have lower. Then what you're going to do is you are going to calculate how much money Mark actually has to spend on this car. So you're going to start with his monthly net income, and you're going to minus each one of these things from it. Start by minusing these things. And then you're going to have to take into account that when he buys the car, he's also going to have to start paying $40 a month for gas, which is a low estimate actually, $20 for parking, and $225 for insurance. Okay, so question 1 is, what expense from the list above will Mark not have to pay or reduce a lot if he buys a car? I'm just going to tell you that one real quick. He will not have to pay bus fees anymore if he buys a car. From the 6 options above, what car should Mark purchase, if any, and why? What would be the best option for financing? What should he look for to reduce his spending? So from that, to do that, you're going to have to know how much he actually has to spend, and then give me just like 2 or 3 sentences about what he should look for to make sure he's getting the best deal on this loan. Okay? You got this. Let me know if you have problems.